Curly Discaya arrested for malversation. Palakpakan no? Dahil may na-arresto din no? Kasi mamaya kukwento kung paano nangyari itong mga kaganapang ito. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. Government contractor Pacifico Curly Discaya was arrested at the Senate on Monday for a malversation case linked to an alleged anomalous flood control project in Bulacan. So, alam naman po natin na nakadetain si Curly Discaya sa Senado dahil kung ano-anong pinagagawa niya sa Senate hearing ng mga nakaraan. Kaya doon siya nag-i-stay, palamunin ng Senado, ganun. Kaya ayun yung nangyari, doon siya na-aresto. The arrest was ordered by the Bulacan Regional Trial Court Branch 20 due to Discaya's supposed falsification of public funds or property. At itong kaso na ito ni Curly Discaya ay non-bailable. Sana all. Sana all. Di ba? Kasi yung iba nagbe-bail di ba? Kaya nakakakawala pa, nakakatakbo pa He has been in a Senate custody since September 2025 after he was cited in contempt of court during the Chamber's Blue Ribbon hearing into the infrastructure scam. So, yun yung mga naganap dahil siya ay false. ay na-contempt siya ng Senado. And ayun, mga kaibigan, hinuli na nga kanina. Buti naman. Since his detention, ano to, malita? Diba? Since his detention at the Senate, Discaya underwent surgery for his shoulder but he was returned to the chamber's facilities a week later. Apart from him, Discaya's wife, Sara Discaya, who is currently detained at the Lapu-Lapu City Jail, is facing the same malversation case. Diba? Magkalayong agwat. Magkabilang mundo na yung Jaireling no? They are also joined by Maria Roma Rimando, an executive at St. Timothy Construction who is also detained at the same jail as Sara, both for a 96.5 million ghost flood control project in Davao Occidental. So sana magtuloy-tuloy pa rin na mahuli yung mga big fish aside from Jinggoy, itong kay Curly at kay Sara. Actually parang balita ko nung mga nakaraang araw ay may hinuli na rin yung Bulacan artist, ewan ko saan part o anong branch na part nung flood control scandal na naganap dito sa Bulacan. So yon, sana magtuloy-tuloy na marami pa ring mahuli, di ba? Hindi yung nasa Senado pa rin. Ba't naman ganun, di ba? So, ang ating next Senate Flix today ay ilan pa kaya ang matitira sa Senado? Ano mo masasabi nyo sa pagkaka-aresto kay Curly Discaya? Comment down below! Wow! Wow! Wow!